तुम वॉरेन बफेट भी क्यों ना हो, तुम पैसा लूज करते हो, ठीक है. ओनली व्हेन यू हैव डन दैट इनफ नंबर ऑफ टाइम इज व्हेन यू रियलाइज ओके दीज आर द मिस्टेक्स आई मेड, this is something I need to really avoid.
Cricket, IIT, IIM, I think.
Yeah,
that's the top things.
The-
No one cares about the gold medal in wrestling.
नहीं ब्रो, मेडिसिन सीए और आईएएस ये भी करते हैं.
आ जाते हैं. They are there. Even CoinSwitch, for that matter, had funds in WazirX site. We recently put out a post as well talking about it. And we maintain liquidity and
Yeah,
lot of
we
these.
are absolutely very clear with the kind of exposure we had.
And our PR is also launching soon so that users can see अभी कहाँ हैं funds हमारे.
Right.
It's coming out very soon.
Okay, we'll not talk about and on camera, please.
No, bro, I think but the market takes cost from you to make you win,
Yeah.
and you have to sweat in the practice.
Bro, you don't have
before-
to sweat till
you have
death.
to you have to sweat in practice so that you don't bleed in the battle, bro. So I'm just kind of sweating it out right now.
It's a very interesting use case. You go, you watch the video, and you'll get coins for it, and you'll have to watch the video in entirety. And Hamster Combat has no other use case. Good evening, everyone. We have finally decided to push our show from mornings to evenings because of Hudda's punctuality. Yet he was late for today's show
ओए
also.
चलना भाई झूठ बोलने की आदत होती है भाई.
नहीं हुड्डा यार, मतलब कोई ना यार, मतलब तुम आए, अच्छा लगा देख के. मैंने तो चैट जीपीटी में भी प्रॉम्प्ट डाला, फ्रेंड्स रनिंग अ पॉडकास्ट विद नथिंग टू टॉक. इट वाज द शिटिएस्ट प्रॉम्प्ट.
I think we need to replace him in the next episode.
Sure, I can hear that, bro. So, guys, how's the market been? I have heard it has been sideways, but then there was this entire issue with Telegram. I don't know why this dude decided to visit France when he knew there was a warrant against him, and that also in his private jet. So, please shed some light. Kya hua? How does it affect Ton? And I think Ton-based meme coins are also spiking. तो ये क्या चल रहा है? फाउंडर जेल में, यहाँ स्टॉक.
टेक्निकली अभी जेल में तो नहीं है. पवेल डुरोव को जमानत मिल गई थी ऑन सम $1 million. आई फॉरगॉट द नंबर, बट लाइक आई थिंक $3 million यूरोज पे. ही इज आउट ऑन अ बेल. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट वाई वॉज इन फ्रांस, आई थिंक उसके पास 3 नेशनैलिटीज़ हैं. ही इज़ अ फ्रेंच सिटीजन, ही इज़ अ सेंट किट्स एंड नेविस सिटीजन, एंड ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ रशियन सिटीजन. उसके 2 पासपोर्ट फ्रेंच गवर्नमेंट ने अपने पास में जब्त करके रख लिए. एंड हिज रिलेशनशिप विद फ्रांस एंड हिज रिलेशनशिप विद प्राइवेसी फोकस्ड ऐप इज़ नॉट समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी न्यू. बहुत टाइम से पवेल डुरेव हैड बिन वेरी वोकल अबाउट द नीड ऑफ प्राइवेसी इन टेलीग्राम. मैंने कुछ मीम्स देखे अभी रिसेंटली, उसमें बोलते हैं कि यार अगर टेररिस्ट टोयोटा की गाड़ी यूज़ करते हैं तो टोयोटा का फाउंडर शुडंट बी इन जेल, राइट? इट शुड बी द पीपल हु आर डूइंग सच एक्टिविटीज़. एंड पवेल हैज़ डन नथिंग रॉन्ग. पास में उन्होंने रशियन गवर्नमेंट को भी काफ़ी उकसाया था, गिवन दैट दे वर आस्किंग देम फॉर सम डेटा, एंड ही कम्प्लीटली डिनाइड इट. इनफैक्ट एक फोटो आई थी जिसमें वो मिडिल फिंगर दिखा रहे थे, राइट? इट वाज अ वेरी फेमस पिक्चर. ही ऑल्सो हैज़ काइंड ऑफ शोड हिज रेजिस्टेंस डॉग. आई मीन उसने एक डॉग को हुडी पहना के उसके मीम्स शेयर किए कि यार वी विल ऑलवेज रेजिस्ट द प्राइवेसी which is the fundamental right of every human being out there.
No, we won't resist. We'll protect privacy.
We'll protect privacy. My bad.
Acha. And bros, then is the entire community, supporting him, kind of taking a stand with him? That's why you see the meme coins based on Ton Pump. Yeah, kya chal raha hai? Or is it like people are looking for opportunities in this crisis also?
See, the moment that news came out of him getting arrested, Ton went down. Okay, it didn't go directly up. Yeah. But it kind of was very nice to see the community like come around him. There was like freedom hashtag के tweets चल रहे थे Twitter पे. Everyone was trending. Elon Musk, I think Elon Musk himself tweeted कि यार you need to do something about this. And even Elon is very similar in his approach towards privacy, freedom of speech.
In fact, Brazil ने Twitter को बैन कर दिया है recently.
Right.
China is also saying so.
चाइना तो
China
सबको
तो ठीक
बैन
है, एक्सपेक्टेड. चाइना कुछ बैन ना करे तो वो शॉकिंग हो जाए.
वो बंदा बैन हो जाएगा जो अनबैन करेगा चीजें.
But so it felt a lot in the first few hours of it, and I know it because I, I had a good short, so long trade happening. And
You were long on.
I was long on Ton because Ton fundamentally, I believe, is a good project. Like it has all the things that you would expect, right? There are a lot of users on Telegram which can be a feeder for Ton, right?
So
it
they have a
also-
good user pipeline, they have a
Right.
good use case,
Right.
and they have
So-
an excellent platform.
And I was kind of bullish. There were some metrics which I thought. So I was long when the news came. So I got liquidated. May rest. God rest my trade.
ठीक है,
To you is deja vu to what happened with us on Ton.
But I mean $6.5 से $5 गिरा था. That is
yeah,
true.
yeah. But then it kind of stabilized there, and I think it has
It's
gone
5.2
up
right
a little
now.
bit now.
No, it went down again because Telegram blockchain बंद पड़ गई थी. उसका रीजन है
Yeah,
कि
yeah,
dogs
dogs.
करके एक टोकन आया था. एंड उसका इतना ज़्यादा भारी डिमांड था यूजर्स में. एंड डॉग्स मिला कैसे? शौर्य, दैट्स ऑल्सो स्टोरी. सो इफ़ यू आर अ टेलीग्राम यूजर फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, इफ यू आर ऑन टेलीग्राम 5-6 years, you just get some dogs token, right? And dogs का symbol again, as I said, is based on the resistance dog, right, which Pavel had shared before. So a lot of people got the dogs airdrop, and पहला जो airdrop था वो नॉट था, right? Coin के ऊपर जो बहुत फेमस हुआ था, and $1 billion उसकी market cap थी at launch. So people were very excited about dogs, and dogs also launched at I think $700-800 million.
The blockchain also
market
crashed,
cap.
no? For like
That's
couple
why,
of-
because people were claiming dogs with such a speed that Ton blockchain, stopped producing blocks for 4 hours for one day, and another day it, paused for a while. So that also caused the dip. It's not just the arrest, क्योंकि जैसे ही Telegram का founder बाहर आया, it pumped 10%, but then the blockchain went down, it again crashed back. So traders के लिए either it was a very good or very bad time.
For us, it's always bad.
For
No,
most traders, it's always bad.
Bro, even he and I lost money. I remember that trade. He
But
and I
that's
got-
why I don't include you in us now.
Bro, because you have liquidated all my savings.
Yeah, that is true, but I think we will
And then
recover
you
it
copy
again.
my style, bro.
We will recover it again.
But even the fact that, see, most blockchains, look at Cardano, like look at a lot of all these old chains, they are struggling for demand. Okay, Ton going down showcases that there's a lot of demand for at least the blockchain at now, and it's a good sign, right? It's a good problem to solve. You are able to ensure that there are a lot of people who want to use your blockchain, which is a big thing, right? So I still think that even though it went down for 4 hours, 6 hours, whatever, it's still a good
I mean,
issue.
Solana इतने सालों
is a-
से बंद पड़ती रहती
exactly,
है.
but Solana का demand इतना ज़्यादा है यार, like वो इसलिए बंद पड़ती है because that's the only chain which gives you all the things you need
Yeah, it's
for
the
making that
better,
transaction.
refined version of ETH.
I mean, UX बहुत easy है, सस्ता है.
Yes.
Meme coins launch करना आसान है, and people just want to gamble their money on meme coins. I mean,
I think yesterday वो news चल रही थी ना, Pump.fun has crossed 100 million in fees.
yeah.
So
100 million.
100 million in fees.
Overall.
ठीक है? And Pump.fun is like just one use case on Solana. It's not like.
But it is the primary use
It's
case.
the primary use case now. It's the biggest use case
$100
now.
million.
But by the way,
Yes, yes.
मतलब Solana का एक और stat है मेरे पास अभी, जो Solana total fees generate करता है. Pump.fun hype has been slowly getting down.
Right.
Tron ने भी launch
Yeah,
किया,
yeah.
Justin Sun launched their some sunpump.meme. So उस पे भी बहुत volumes आ रही है. They also surpassed Ethereum in daily transaction volumes, which was huge, and Tron also pumped.
Yeah.
But Solana के stats have been going down. We can show an image also to the users. जो उनकी
Bro,
daily
image
fees
लेके आ
है,
जाना.
जो उनकी daily fees है, वो धीरे धीरे गिरती जा रही है, and it has been their blockchain activity has come down to a number when it was like around $20-30. So that's also something you should look out for, क्योंकि meme season जो है वो हमेशा नहीं चल सकता. I mean,
Right.
people will run out of money to buy new memes.
But the world is getting more random by the day, man. And memes go along with protests.
That is
So
true.
I
that is
think
true.
it's a very good time to buy meme coins, because wherever you look, democracies are falling, societies are crashing. I think it's an ideal season to be a meme
coins,
investor.
Definitely यार, meme coins is just like कि culture और vibe से आप सब लोगों से मिल के किसी भी चीज़ को पैसा बना दे रहे हो, and you are showing how easy it can be. I mean, it is that resistance, I would say.
See, the problem with meme coins is it's good till it pumps, and then when it dumps 90%. ठीक है?
यार, normal tokens also pump 99%.
I know.
I mean,
I'm
it's
saying,
not just about meme
but
coins.
at least when you're holding BTC, when it goes down 80%,
that is true, that is true,
You
definitely.
have that conviction कि यार ये
Definitely.
वापस जाएगा.
हाँ.
ठीक है? Like I think there was some statistics on Pump.fun that almost 16,000-17,000 tokens were getting launched every day.
Yeah.
On Pump.fun.
And going to zero next day.
And going to zero on next day. So there is no hope, right? There is no chance. That money is gone. If you were not able to leave when the chart was going up, you'll never be able to leave when the chart starts going down, because it's 90% down by the time you have realized what's happening, right? It's not as easy as people like to portray. Like,
Yeah.
Do you think there's a way back for NFTs? Or it's another meme
I
coin
think
जो
which
चल
has-
रही हैं वो चल रही हैं. Pudgy
हाँ,
Penguins
मतलब
is,
जो
you know,
है
still
वो
doing
है,
good.
but I think kind of meme coins have kind of replaced the use case that NFTs had for a long time, right? Like you have a meme or you have a culture, part of culture that you want to tokenize. You can bring some, like use that to create some value on internet. Memes are doing that now.
No, see, I love how you portrayed memes by saying that it's how you tokenize popular culture.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a great way to put it. But this entire ownership which NFT was giving to artists,
No, see,
and
NFTs are-
creative freedom and accountability.
It's the ideal solution. ठीक है, NFTs is kind of the ideal solution which may have a big use case in the future, but right now people have kind of replaced it with memes. More you're scalable, easy to pump, like create it, and you know, it's much easier to transact in it. So the liquidity is higher. And people get it easily. People know Doge खरीद के बेचना बहुत easy है. NFTs, like they were a lot of NFTs which were really good and still are pretty good, but I don't think you have the kind of liquidity you expect there versus a liquidity of a shitcoin with like Shiba Inu, Obama, Harry Potter, Sonic, whatever. Like
Harry
even
Potter. Is Harry
that will
Potter
have a
out?
liquidity and you will be able to buy and sell whenever you want.
Dude, why can't we take out a meme coin on Punjabi Dumbledore, bro?
There would be.
Puri Puttur.
करो लॉन्च करो यार. बट NFTs का आई थिंक सीरियसली अभी भी यू नो यूज केस जो है वो जो लोगों ने एनविजन किया था जब लास्ट टाइम NFTs pumped a lot, I think in 2020 2021, that was majorly based out of the IP that you're getting. Like just
Right.
imagine Pudgy Penguins, they are also launching their soft toys, so every penguin is a soft toy. Now imagine you know एक तुमने penguins की एक मूवी देखी होगी जहाँ पे penguins मेडागास्कर में थे, I think, you know, they talk, they do shit.
Just smile and wave,
They
boys.
smile and wave.
Just smile
So
and wave.
if you can create an IP with that character and you own that character and that character goes into movies, comic books, soft toys, then all of the royalty will be, you know, passed on to you. So that is the real use case that NFTs envisioned.
The artists get a lot of
The
benefit
artists
in
get,
NFT.
and if you are if you have, let's say, bought it from someone else, then you start getting the royalty.
But it's a very
Whoever holds-
illiquid asset, no, bro. Like
It
the
is
problem
illiquid.
with art,
but
is
it's like real estate. I mean,
Haan, real estate,
which will
art.
keep on earning art
like
revenue.
depends on the like real estate in a place which is, let's say, 500 kilometers or 100 kilometers out of Bangalore where nobody is buying.
But
It's-
still,
it's
it
useless,
can
right?
yield rental revenue. I mean, it can
agree.
yield something.
I
But
s-
see,
That's
but
what NFTs are made for.
tokenization is also a use case which has been taken over by crypto, correct? Like there's so many crypto coins which are exactly trying to solve for this tokenization part.
Yeah.
None of the cryptos have come in the trademark space. So I think that
I think
can
there
be-
is one, I forgot the name, but 100 million plus raise किया है एक blockchain ने अभी for IP.
But how
getting
do
IP on
how,
the
how
chain.
will they connect IP with crypto?
Yeah, that is a different rabbit hole. We need an entire, I mean, VC presentation for that.
So you don't know.
No, we can do that. Maybe.
But you don't know the answer.
Not right now. Not
So
in
you're
this
just
scope.
trying to be smart on
Not in this scope.
on camera.
It's
Not
out
in
of
this
scope.
Out of
Sure,
scope.
yeah,
Out
let's
of
move.
scope, yeah.
First he copies my pants. Okay. Then he tries to be smart like me.
Bro, you don't have an IP on that pant, by the way.
NFT है तेरे पास उसका पैंट का बता.
Bro, पैड खरीदने के पैसे तो अब बने हैं, अब NFT खरीदूं मैं. नहीं guys, but moving on to the other thing, bro. Olympics, Paralympics. By the way, India is performing spectacularly well in Paralympics. It's kind of a misery. No one talks about Paralympics जितना हम Olympics के बारे में बात करते हैं.
Most people don't even talk about Olympics so much in this country, bro. People talk about cricket. Let's be honest.
Cricket, IIT, IIM, I think.
Yeah,
that's the top two things. No one cares about the gold medal in wrestling.
नहीं bro, medicine, CA और IAS ये भी करते हैं.
आ जाते हैं. They are there.
फैक्ट ब्रो, तुमने एक वो भी बताया था कि YouTube पे there's this crypto coin based on the videos which you watch on YouTube, and if you're
Hamster's Combat he's talking about.
hamster, yeah.
That's the third token coming on the Ton blockchain, by the way. जो popular meme culture से आया है.
But that's a very interesting use case. You go, you watch the video, and you'll get
You get coins.
and you'll get coins for it, and you'll have to watch the video in entirety.
Yes.
And Hamster Combat has no other use case.
I mean, that's the biggest use case. You watch their videos, you share it with your friends, you come on the app daily, you engage, and you keep getting tokens.
But that's a
So
gold
you're
mine for marketers.
monetizing attention.
Yeah.
But that's gold mine for marketers. Like
See, not everybody will be able to create that pull for like the way Hamster Combat
Everyone
kind
is
of
greedy
has.
for the coins, no?
Everyone is greedy,
So
but
even that crypto show, no matter what content we churn out, even we can get 1 million views.
it depends if you have millions of money like to
No, we
distribute.
don't need millions of money. We just need millions of our own tokens. I mean,
that token
that
needs to
token-
have
Sorry,
some
sorry.
value.
Hamster Combat do not have any value.
We
No,
need
no, no.
1 million of our tokens which have
Which
some
can.
respect and value.
Which can
No
have some
wonder all
value.
Hudda coins have failed till date.
I,
तुम बना तो
I would
देते हो।
deny. I would deny. You have to मतलब make the users perceive that there will be value.
Yeah,
How
that-
many
that is
coins?
value.
How many
That
coins
is
have you
important.
been
That's
able
difficult.
to?
Like
That's not difficult for that crypto show, honestly.
No, but how many coins have you built and thrown that perception
I
around?
haven't.
So
I'll launch a coin when I'm sure that this is something which I can do technically, legally, and also it has some value. It not just for just making money. Not that shouldn't be the only use case.
Interesting, yeah. But you would go for Hamster Combat. And I think the last coin which I really wanted to bring into the picture was Ava.
Aave.
Aave, sorry.
Aava land वो अलग है. Aava अलग है. Yeah. Aave.
Aave का क्या चल रहा है यार मतलब because it's a do you see that coin with potential? Anyways, guys, do not take our views for it.
this is not an investment advice.
This is not a. Or can you run the entire disclaimer? Cryptocurrencies and investments are subject to risk.
किसी को नहीं सुनना अभी. वो चल जाएगा.
Please
Yeah,
read
so-
the offer letter carefully before investing.
That is not crypto. That is mutual fund.
Bro, मैं तो बचपन से एक ही देख रहा हूँ. Ad होते हैं 5 सेकंड का, disclaimer चलते हैं 15 सेकंड का.
Crypto markets and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. Please do your own search. So that can be done. But yeah, Aave is one of the one of the best picks, which is fundamentally generating good revenue.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a website called dyor.eg, a very good
Hitesh,
friend Hitesh
yeah,
Malviya.
yeah. We should try and bring him
we
here,
should,
man.
we should.
He is
So
good.
मतलब उसका बेसिकली ये है शौर्य कि अगर आप ना क्रिप्टो में पैसा लगाना चाहते हो तो उस वेबसाइट पे बेसिकली ये बताते हैं कि कौन से प्रोटोकॉल्स एक्चुअली रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर रहे हैं, राइट? एंड इफ यू वांट टू फंडामेंटली गो एंड पुट योर मनी इनटू इक्विटीज, व्हाट यू चेक हाउ मेनी पीपल आर बाइंग दैट प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट रेवेन्यू दे आर जनरेटिंग, व्हाट लायबिलिटीज डू दे
business
हैव,
like, yeah.
व्हाट्स द बिजनेस लुकिंग लाइक इन द
How is
नेक्स्ट 2
the
years.
price performing
Yeah.
versus BTC? How is the price performing versus the master chain, whatever, like
Yeah,
let's
so-
say Solana पे कोई बेच तो Solana के versus वो कैसे चल रहा है वो
Yeah.
coin. So if relatively it's doing better than BTC, that's a bullish signal. Like all these kind of
And not just price, Abhishek. Like I would also say कि how many users are actually going there,
Right.
and doing
TVL
some
देखो,
transaction.
revenue देखो,
yes,
DAO
TVL,
देखो, MAO
revenue,
देखो,
DAO,
the
yeah.
same things
Basic
that you-
metrics, which you look at any product. So Aave has been one of the top-notch products right now, given their rebranding and how they are getting into RWAs, real-world assets. They are now also partnering, somehow with the middle of BlackRock, and their own treasury is going to buy Aave tokens now. The proposal, I think it has passed. I'm not sure if it has passed, but the proposal was made that now the Aave treasury will start buying their own tokens from the open market. So these are some
So
things
basically,
which
they're consolidating their share.
they are like
of the
it's like a
supply.
stock buyback, yeah. Which Nvidia just announced they are buying $50 billion of stocks, similar to that, you can say. So yes, I mean that's a good fundamental play if you want to go to a original blue chip DeFi, as you say, as you put it.
and Aave has been in market for a long time now. Like 21 cycle के पहले से launch हो रहा है
Yeah,
emerging.
I think I got Aave airdrop in 2018, if
Yeah,
I'm not wrong,
so-
18, 19.
How can you? तुम यार इतना airdrop लेके भी how can you still be in the red, bro? For the lack of better word.
No, see,
तुम इतना
red and
airdrop
green are
लेके
just state
बैठे
of
हो.
mind. It's
तुम
just-
bronze medal
Those are
जीत
just
रहे हो.
colours, guys.
मैं तुम्हारी P&L देख चुका हूँ उल्टा.
So bro, I would put it that
Bro
way
तुम
that
कम से कम सफेद भी नहीं हुए पैंट जैसी जो
नहीं
पहनी
bro,
है लाल में बैठे हो.
that is a fair
भाई तुम पिंक
delivery.
टेरिटरी में भी नहीं पहुंचे हो.
That is true, but the market takes cost from you to make you win,
Yeah.
and you have to sweat in the practice.
Bro, you don't have
before-
to sweat till
you have
death.
to you have to sweat in practice so that you don't bleed in the battle, bro. So I'm just kind of sweating it out right now.
Bro तुम तो यार ट्रायल रन में ही मर रहे हो यार बैटलफील्ड तक तो पहुंच ही नहीं रहे हो.
That's how it looks for the outsiders, but ठीक है.
Bro मैं तुम्हारा देख चुका हूँ P&L.
ठीक है, I don't care about your opinions. It's okay.
And the second thing is it's not like okay, you start your trading or you start investing or you do anything, right? You feel, oh, I am the king of the world, this is easy, I am going to retire with like 1 year, 2 year, 5 years में तो I'll retire with this. ठीक है, I have cracked it all. ठीक है. Dunning-Kruger effect के बारे में सुना है? हाँ, so that Dunning-Kruger effect.
काइंडली सुपर के साथ एक्सप्लेन कर दो आप.
हाँ, so Dunning-Kruger effect, guys, Google कर लेना, but
Wow,
effectively,
best explanation
it says that there's a confidence that you have in yourself that kind of is very high when you're starting anything new.
Or when you are born a foolish person. No, seriously, there's
हाँ,
an
तो वो
idiot.
बेल कर्व बनाओ ना, IQ
Yeah.
less than 20 and
But I think
IQ
it was
greater than
Albert
100, 50.
who was that person who said, bro, the problem in today's world is that the smart individuals doubt themselves and the foolish are too confident of themselves.
बोला होगा यार किसी ने.
अरे वो
I
सिंपल
have
बेल
heard the
कर्व
quote,
बनता है यार. It's
but basically initially you have a lot of confidence and only after you have spent some amount of time that you realize, okay, I knew nothing. I actually
हमारे
genuinely knew
गांव में
nothing.
इसको बोलते हैं जब जिंदगी औकात दिखा देती है.
हाँ, then that whole confidence drop. And then if you still sustain in that category, you keep learning, ठीक है, and you keep becoming better and better, and that there's a now a rational way where confidence and skill level increase like in a proper ratio, ठीक है. So for the first 2-3 years, whoever you are, तुम Warren Buffett भी क्यों ना हो, तुम पैसा lose करते हो, ठीक है. Only when you have done that enough number of time is when you realize, okay, these are the mistakes I made. This is something I need to really avoid.
Bro, then
It's
why
a
do-
long game.
Bro, but then why do 90% of traders FNO में lose buddy?
भाई they
Because that's the learning curve, bro.
भाई you can get so deep into the red that you cannot even have the mental energy to put even another 10 rupees there. I mean,
So
this happens.
most traders eventually either go bankrupt or become good traders. ठीक है. But you never start as a good trader.
But bro, tell me one thing, getting bankrupt or being a good trader तो ठीक है, but जब तुम्हारे फंड ही गायब हो जाए, जैसे एक बहुत बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म में हुआ है और हम अब तक कवर कर रहे हो उसको, दे हैव डिस्क्लोज कि अब आई थिंक खाली 50% ही विड्रॉल कर सकते हो, वो भी 2 ट्रांचेस में. तो वहाँ क्या चल रहा है? इनफैक्ट एक ये भी
66% of INR can be withdrawn, no crypto can be withdrawn.
हाँ, और एक न्यूज़ में भी है कि नाउ इंडियन यूजर्स डोंट हैव एनी रेगुलेटरी बॉडी टू अप्रोच.
They never had, bro.
They never had, now it's official.
Yeah.
But like, so what's the take on that? Kuch, would you like to shed light? What is happening?
I just hope WazirX, makes people in full, either in INR or in crypto. I mean, INR value भी चलेगी अब तो users को, I think, given what is happening.
Yeah, but कोई ऐप में पैसा डाल के ज़्यादा रखता नहीं है, या तो कुछ खरीद लेता है उसका. I assume कि INR as a
True.
Most people have crypto holdings. Yeah. They
Absolutely,
don't really keep
absolutely.
like INR in wallet.
Absolutely, but I still have some faith on Nischal that he will make things right, make sure कि users, including us, are being paid for in full, and yeah.
But do you think that the market will become this bullish कि जो भी पैसा,
Yeah,
like
so-
that with 50% of capital you regain?
It can, right? Like, okay, Mount Gox के बारे में तूने सुना होगा, right? Mount Gox got like hacked
Yeah.
long back. I don't even remember.
10 years.
14 के
10 years,
2014 के आसपास, right? Same thing happened. They didn't really have a lot of funds. They went into, I think, bankruptcy. And I think last month or last couple of months back, the monies actually started going
And they're
back to
paying
the
people BTC, which is 100 times more
Yes.
than they bought BTC at $100, $500. Right now it's at 50,000.
So imagine losing all your money in 2014, being extremely sad. But 10 years later, just because you were not able to touch that money,
Yeah.
you grew 100x, right?
90% of those people must have sold the BTC when it grew
So
10x.
basically ये
Blessing in
अच्छा
disguise.
भी हो सकता है कुछ users के लिए.
Yeah,
could
but
be
if you
a
can
blessing in
sustain 10
disguise.
years without having access to that money, great, bro. This is probably going to give you that kind of return
But
that
the
you could not
problem is
expect.
no. But the problem is in markets such as these and assets such as these, unfortunately, people put
Like, even more than that, you might need money now. What about that? Like, I didn't have a plan for waiting for 10 years, right? What about that? So, those situations will happen, but there is a silver lining that yes, maybe people just stuck through whatever this thing happens, and then the returns might be amazing later on. But nobody knows.
Okay, so for now, basically it is
You can think of it as a sunk cost and like
and there's a
figure out
season to create memes, watch memes, and trade in memes.
like even CoinSwitch for that matter had funds in WazirX, right? We recently put out a post as
Yes,
well
we
talking
did, we
about it. And we maintain liquidity and
Yeah,
lot
we
of
are
these.
absolutely very clear with the kind of exposure we had.
And our PR is also launching soon so that users can see अभी कहाँ हैं funds हमारे.
हाँ,
It's
PR,
coming
yeah,
out
yeah.
very soon. So
But even like look at it this way, we were probably the biggest holders of like crypto on WazirX, one of the biggest holders, if not the biggest, right? Even we don't have access to a lot of regulatory bodies we can reach out to get that money back. We have to go and put a case in court just to get an answer about what is going to happen with that money. Since CoinSwitch has a lot of funds, we can afford that. We have a legal team, we can afford that. Most users can't. Right.
Yeah, and that's the misery of it, because at the end of the day, it's always the retail investors who lose out. But without the risk of it exhibiting self-adulation, I feel that the great platform, like especially ours, which is protecting user funds. So for an industry, I think perception तो hit हुई है.
Yeah.
But hopefully जिस तरह तुमने बोला है 10 साल वेट करके people will get back their money.
But हर जगह नहीं होता यार. Mountgox was an exception. There are a lot of exchanges which got hacked throughout the world, and
nothing
not
came out
everyone
of it.
was able to make it in full. FTX का भी नहीं आया, I think.
FTX आ रहा है.
But पूरा बट उनका यार यूएस में क्या था, वहाँ तो बिल्कुल लिस्ट ऑफ जो तुम्हारे क्रेडिटर्स होते हैं वो तो एक उनको उसी ऑर्डर में द काइंड ऑफ एक्सपोजर प्रायोरिटी यू हैव तुमको रीपे करना होता है. तो एफटीएक्स से जितने भी एसेट्स थे सबको लिक्विडेट करके इन अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ क्रेडिटर्स,
और उनको बीटीसी वही $17,000 की प्राइस पे मिल रहा है.
That is the problem.
That is the problem.
So they are getting
They
at
had
the
one
cost
BTC.
when
Yeah.
FTX went bankrupt. So that is the problem for them.
Chalo guys, thanks a lot for all the viewers who are watching us, who still continue to watch us. Please do spread the love.
And guys, if you have funds invested in WazirX, I would still, give you a glimmer of hope. I hope CZ, Binance CEO, ex-CEO comes back and maybe do something for us.
The knight in shining armor.
Hopeful. CZ, if you're listening to this,
Four.
please come back. 4 months jail.
I think he has personal troubles right now. So.
Yeah.
But thanks a lot. Always great talking to both of you. Friends back home, do subscribe. Hit the ting button. Haven't asked you for quite some time. And yeah, see you for the next episode. Cheers.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.